Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to change timeline settings in DaVinci Resolve. It's so simple. You just need to head over to this media pool section, and right here you will see all of the media which you have imported. So here we need to find timeline, but if you're facing any difficulties finding timeline, you have this search bar, and here you can just type timeline. Once you find your timeline, just hit right click, go to timeline and just choose the option timeline settings, and right from here you can just change any settings you want. And also keep in mind, if you untick this use project settings checkbox, you will be able to change timeline resolution, pixel aspect ratio, timeline frame rate, and also you can go with this monitor section. Here you can change the video resolution, format, as well as you can change the output, color. Whatever changes you want to do, you can just do that from here, and later on you can just click on OK. And yeah, that's how you can change timeline settings in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.